Thunderbird. A colossal firebird with a wingspan large enough to block out the sun, adorned with vibrant, radiant, thunderous plumage. Not inherently evil, thunderbirds are powerful beings capable of creating storms and thunder by flapping their wings. They have also been known to punish those who disrespect nature. North America, including the Algonquian and Sioux Nations, can control weather, particularly storms and lightning. Hunters and various other individuals were struck down by thunderbirds for transgressions against nature. Thunderbirds are revered and respected, and there are no tales of them ever being defeated. They are considered immortals as protectors and powerful spirits.